Hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. I've got an awesome project for us to do today. We're going to be replacing the oil line of death for the engine, and we're also going to be reviewing that same product. You guys stay tuned. So let's go over this little item. And first I want to tell you that I give an honest review, and it doesn't matter if I'm friends with the person or not, it's an honest review so that you can count on what I'm saying is not skewed in any kind of way. So here is the part. I got this from Trax Off Grid. It was $55 shipped. Okay, so to me that's a little bit higher priced, but you know what? To prevent the death of the engine, I'm gonna go ahead and pay for that, and that's what I did. So it's a little higher priced, but I think it's worth it. So this little guy here, I expected to have a stainless steel braided line. And well, to me, this is a little bit more than what I expected, because this is a stainless steel braided line, but it's also impregnated in this synthetic rubber, which I really like that because it is anti-chafing, and I just like it. So right away, it's already upgraded from whatever my expectation was in the very beginning. This does have a working pressure of 3,700 PSI, this hose does, okay, and a burst pressure of 14,800 PSI. It is a one-ply braided line, again with synthetic rubber working to prevent any of the chafing. It has a working temperature of 258.8 degrees. So this is a pretty cool line here. I'm pretty sure that it was not leak tested. It looks like it's just crimped on each end. I'm sure it's going to be fine. And if there was any problems with it, I'm sure that Trax Off Grid would replace it in a heartbeat. And that is one of the good things about ordering this part. And there's a little note in there that says that you have to buy two other parts with it. Now these two other connectors I got off of eBay, and I'll put the link in the description. They're only about $8, $9, under 10 bucks total. Why couldn't this come with this? Because this took me an extra 3-4 days to get here when I was ready to put this in. So I mean, if I want to do a project, I want to have the project with all of the parts. So I would really like it if these little parts, which are under 10 bucks, would come with this. Charge an extra 10 bucks. I don't care. I would like to have these with this. That's just me. I don't see any instructions that came with it, how to put this thing in. It is pretty straightforward and self-explanatory, I think. But it'd be kind of cool if there was some instruction to just like make it a little bit more professional. Okay, now that the review is done, let's go ahead and slap it into Malachi. All right, guys, we are on the driver's side of the engine. And there's the line right there that we need to remove. That is the dreaded oil line of death. All right, since 11/16, I would have some kind of a towel handy to wipe up some of the mess. All right, let's start taking this thing off. Doggone. Now, you don't have to worry too much if you bend or break this line because, well, it's going to go in the garbage. We're just replacing it, so you don't have to worry too much. If these are in your way, you can just pretty easily move that out of the way and pull up on this, and it should come up. Well, this is why I like instructions, because if you put the straight edge down here, it appears that this is like 1 inch too long. So my only choice is to do something like this. Well, let's see how that works. Well, I have to tell you, that fits a heck of a lot better that way. And so the old one used to go back behind here, but it seems like this is about 1 inch too long for that. So putting it in this way, I mean, 6 1/2 dozen, doesn't really matter. There's nothing going to be rubbing on it. Now then, they're compression fittings, but they don't need to be gorilla tight. Okay, get them snug. And then I'm also going to do a leak check. So I'm going to start the engine to see if anything leaks. If nothing leaks and it looks like it's good to go, then it is good to go. Now, who would have thought this innocuous little thing was the chink in the armor and could cause a catastrophic failure to the engine if you weren't paying attention to the engine oil pressure? This little guy. So glad that that is fixed. I don't have to worry about that anymore. I really appreciate it, Tracks Off Grid, for really making that just bulletproof as far as I'm concerned. I am impressed by the quality of it. There's just a couple of things that that I would like to see. As far as instructions go for it, you can point them to my channel and I'll show you how to do it. All right, you guys, I really appreciate you joining me today. If you like the video, smash on that like button and leave a comment. It's always appreciated, and that is really how it helps the channels. Until next time, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.